Okay, guess I'm live. Let me just put some stuff before I talk. Top 10 crypto DeFi. There we go. Just let me know, guys, that you can hear me. And hello to the chat. Hello to everyone that are watching live. And hello to everyone that are watching on the replay whenever this will be. Yep. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. How is everybody? Let me start with the announcement before we start this. Feel free to write your Q&A. I will answer all of them. I have made another PDF, regular coins. Regular coins do not DeFi. It will get released tonight at midnight to all my past DeFi PDF customers that have purchased for 30% discount. So instead of the regular price, $29.95, you will get it for, let's say, $20. $20 instead of $30, $19.99, something like that. So a mass email will go to you live at midnight tonight Eastern time. Check my top 10 regular coins plus my free coins that are like super blue chip. Now the financial advice, my opinion only, of course, educational purposes only, all that good stuff. And yeah, so if you get the regular PDF either now or in the past, you can have access for 30% off. And yeah, and if you know the price goes up to regular people probably by Monday after July 4th, holiday weekend. Haven't decided yet, but as of now, your last chance to get it for 30% discount is if you get the DeFi PDF. And why I'm saying this, some people telling me, hey, why do you charge for stuff? Let me talk to you about BarnBridge, ticker symbol Bond. It's part of my PDF. I can't assure that because I haven't checked YouTube completely. I can say that if you check BarnBridge Bond, you will not see, not even maybe one or two videos about it. Absolutely nothing. No one talks about it. No one knows anything about BarnBridge Bond. And a week ago, Coinbase listed them for $30. It's 38 now. And in the next 2 weeks, their partnership with Polygon Medic, which you all know and love, including myself, will do a reward promotion program just like Medic did with Aave, meaning there's a lot of rewards, a lot of money is gonna flow into BarnBridge Bond. I assume BarnBridge as well as Medic will basically enjoy this partnership. I don't know how long it will take. I know that Coinbase already listed them. It's a good coin, good pick long term. Market cap is about 130 million. Not trying to shield it. Not gonna say it's gonna go to I don't know, the next Bitcoin 100x, 1000x, all that nonsense that you see on all those videos. I know logically it should be a good long-term DeFi coin, and it was, and it still is, and it's already up 30% in the last week since it got listed on Coinbase. And basically, it didn't dump a lot in the last month and a half, which very surprising to me. Shows me the strength of BarnBridge Bond. Not a lot of people talk about it, so basically, yeah, it's one of my top 10 DeFi picks. You want to know all the others? Grab a copy, link in my descriptions right here on this chat, and you will get access for my top 10 regular coins, 30% discount starting midnight tonight with a mass email Eastern time. That being said, let's get started. And if I bring you guys value, if I subscribe, like all that good stuff, tell me what you think about the selling options for income video that I've posted about 2 hours ago. I don't know if you guys caught that. Let me know. Hello, Kelly Lane. How are you? Not a lot of people in this chat for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Maybe I try to sell so many stuff, but yeah, it is what it is. I'm not gonna change. I'm gonna tell you this: that if you don't sell stuff, by sell I mean, oops, I apologize for that. By selling stuff, I mean provide value. If you are a content creator and all you do on YouTube or TikTok is saying Ripple will go to $1,000, Cardano will go to $1,000, that's not value. The worst, yes, you can say because of this, because of this, because of this, and then you just throw a random number. It gets views and all that nonsense. It's not really value, because at the end of the day, Cardano, Ripple, or any other coin doesn't care what you think or what you say. Okay, that's at the end of the day. They don't think that if I say now Ripple will go to 1,000, that doesn't mean that Ripple will go to 1,000, and it doesn't mean that Ripple will go to zero. My say on a coin has nothing to do about what the coin will do long term. Sure, BitBoy can say this coin can go to the moon, and because he has 1 million plus followers, then that coin will go to the moon in the next, I don't know, 72 hours, and then it will go back to where it was, and eventually it will do what it needs to do. But most content creators don't have that much of a mass power with 1 million followers, etc. So when I talk about the coin, I'm not talking about the coin to say, hey, I'm gonna shill it and it's gonna go to 1,000x. It doesn't work like that, no matter what you think. So when you see on TikTok lately, everyone are so angry. Everyone are angry at blockchain boy. I love him. He just said some bad content about Ripple. I 100% agree with him. And the Ripple army just try to shred him to pieces, but for no reason. But and if you see the comment, other than the toxic bad comment, you see, you would think that if someone is posted something about Ripple, it's actually gonna happen. No, the coin will do what the coin needs to do. Either go to zero, go to the moon, or just slowly die, as Ripple have been done the last 4 years, but no one wants to talk about it. No one wants to believe that, as well as Cardano, but that's a different story. I don't like either of them. And when the market is going down or sideways, I would guesstimate that 90% of TikTok crypto consumers are basically just random gamblers, and they don't have patience to wait long term. They don't see 100x, and most likely they are in Dogecoin, SafeMoon, and all the other nonsense that will mostly slowly die as well. Whether those are scam or not is debatable, but mass adoption is the key, and those scam coins will not be here long term. But it's not even the long term. The retail gamblers in TikTok, they just don't have patience to wait. They just move to buying calls options on AMC, NEO, all that nonsense now, again, because crypto doesn't move. When crypto will move, they will go back in again and help push the prices higher. But they're not really here for any massive gains, because they just don't have the patience to wait. Correct me if I am wrong. Yeah, so that's my starting speech. Let's see what we got. I love your content. Thank you, Mr. A1 Jetsam. You're perfect how you are. Thank you. No worries. Keep up the good work. Finance after 40. Thank you for that. We talk a little bit about Ribbon Finance. Ribbon Finance. Go watch the video, please. I urge you to watch my latest video. If you sold options in the past, if you haven't, that's not really a place to start. Start by selling options on stocks, and use Market Chameleon for that to find the right edge, which one to sell. Link on all my descriptions as well. But if you have sold options on stocks, you know the power of that, power of passive income. And if you saw my video, I sold options on Ethereum, expired worthless 3 weeks in a row, which is insane. On a crazy, the last 2 weeks were just brutal. Last week, we don't remember now, because Ethereum is over 2,000 now, and everyone thinks that the storm is behind us. Eventually it will, but for now, I don't know. and Ethereum went, if you remember, from 2,500 to like 1,800, and the option expired at like 1940, and the option that they wrote, the option that I made money on, was 1920, which is insane, and it still expired worthless. How crazy is that? Someone told me that I need to do a merch. How crazy is that shirt? Interesting. I'm thinking about doing a merch. I don't know, playing around with the idea. But either way, this shows you the power of selling options for income instead of just buying and hoping for the price to go up or down, mostly up, because you are mostly optimistic at heart, which is fine. But the time is the key. Time decay is the key. Can Ethereum go down? Sure. But now if I sell options for income, I get paid to buy Ethereum at a discount price from today. I get paid up front. If it doesn't happen, I just repeat the process week after week after week for over 100% annual return. It's pretty amazing stuff. So yeah, go learn about Ribbon Finance. They don't have a coin just yet. I assume it will be live in like a month from now or something like that. It's already in the process. I might get it back. I like their project. They already have like $50+ million locked, value locked, and all their vaults are full. People are texting me, hey, why can't I use it? Why can't I use it? It's full. It's full. They need to add the capacity. That just shows me that there's demand. And if there's demand for a product that doesn't even have a coin yet, that's the ice cream truck. Every Thursday you hear them, 8:30 p.m. or so. Never miss. And it is summertime. So if there's a coin out there, a product that people are used, the demand is so high that they need to up their data, up their storage. I don't know how, what they need to do, but I need to add more space so more people can sell options. The coin is not available yet to the public to purchase from. I don't know, Uniswap, Sushi, all that stuff. But basically, that just tells me that this is a good coin to hold long term. I don't know the market cap. I don't know the tokenomics. I will in the future, but it could be another DeFi bag long term for me, basically. See what else we got. Let's see what else we got. Mr. Roy. Hi, I'm new to crypto. Hello, Roy. I've never used MetaMask. Okay. Only use Coinbase a little. That's fine. I can't transfer until I'm waiting several days. Where do you recommend I start? I recommend you wait several days. That's all. As for MetaMask, there's like 1,000+ videos on YouTube about MetaMask tutorials. That's all. That's where you start. That's where everyone starts. YouTube videos. Avoid the rocket emojis, titles, and all that stuff, and you will be fine. Something that I've learned just since I started doing YouTube. When I just consumed YouTube 6 months plus ago, instead of creating as well, I haven't noticed those subtle differences. If there's a rocket emoji in the title or in the thumbnail, I just skip the video now. I just skip it. I watched all of them because I believed what it says. This coin is going to go to 1,000x, rocket emoji. You believe, you want to believe. It's not true. It's just to get you to click and watch. It's all it is. It's all it is. Learn from my mistakes. Which coin project were you just talking about? Ribbon Finance. The symbol is RBN. RBN. It's not live. I did a video. Go watch my latest video after this live. How to sell options on crypto, on Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ethereum. And I assume they will have more in the future, but this is just the start. And just the start, the option vaults are completely booked and no one can join because the demand is crazy. Can they do a rug pull? Can they do all that stuff? I don't know. I don't know. I didn't read the code. I'm not a developer. I put money that I can afford 100% to lose all of that. That's basically how I roll with all the coins. And stocks, same thing basically. Same thing. Seems we have a quiet session, guys. Quiet session. Not a lot of people have joined in, which is, it's a shame. So while I have you as a small group, feel free to ask me whatever that you want. Don't be shy, crypto-wise, of course. Other than that, we want to talk a little about stocks. Haven't done that in a while. Fiverr. A lot of you ask me what's going on. What's my favorite pick? It was and not always been. The last year it was Fiverr. I'm using Fiverr almost every day for YouTube, and millions of other people using Fiverr as well. For any other project, blogging, businesses, small business, YouTube, TikTok, whatever you can imagine, it's on Fiverr freelance. It was it is my top stock pick. And I talked about it when Fiverr was around $200, give or take, or 250 even. It went down to 150, got called a scammer a lot. And of course, now it's around 240, 250, and most likely will go higher. Not a financial advice. When you find a good coin, or when you find a good stock, good fundamentals, insane amount of demand, good management, good team, good product, good problem solving, a huge problem in the world, potentially, the price eventually will do what it needs to do. That's all it is. Stop looking at prices every single day. And this is 100 times more strong when it comes to crypto, because at the end of the day, 99% of crypto follow what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin goes down, crypto will go down. Doesn't matter. But if the coin is great, the project is great, project can solve great giant use case problem, it will eventually do that. You just need to have patience to play the long-term game. Basically, long-term game. Basically that it. DeFi wise, what's your favorite project for DeFi? Aave. Aave. The problem with Aave, there's no problem. Just people say, hey, it's expensive. It's like $200. Well, you can argue that, and you can also argue that Aave went up like 500% in the last 2 years, give or take, roughly, which is crazy. But you can also argue on the other side that Aave has about $4 billion market cap. That's it, 4 billion. I keep going back to Doge. Doge, its all-time high was $75 billion market cap. Aave has not tons, but they have licenses to become a regular bank in Europe, not in the US. US is a different story. They have licenses to actually become a crypto DeFi bank, like legit bank. Insane. In UK, and I assume Europe will follow, maybe Asia after that, and all other continents and countries, and US. I don't know if they will play ball, but not that especially not without any regulation. But if Aave will do what it needs to do eventually, and I don't know, 10 years from now, it will be the first like live bank, crypto bank, where you can borrow land, crypto, DeFi, whatever, get better rates, and just use Aave as a bank. Online banking, everything is good. Just like you can use Bank of America, Citi, JP Morgan, all that banks right now. That's that's crazy. That's like buying a bank stock 120 years ago when the stock market opened. I don't know when the stock market opened. Could have bought like Citigroup 100 years ago, Bank of America 100 years ago. I don't know the share price, but I would assume that it was a lot cheaper than it is now, 100 years later, something like that. So that's my take on Aave. People say it's $200, it's expensive. I'm just gonna buy Doge at 20 cents. Doge at 20 cents is $20 billion market cap. That's how you need to look at stuff. Aave, $200 is $4 billion market cap. I love Aave. It went down just like the rest of the market from its all-time high, 650, something like that, to like 180 like 2 weeks ago, and now it's around 230, something like that. Just like the whole market. The whole market went down 70%, corrected a little in the last week or so, and now we're just moving sideways until eventually we will do what we need to do. So eventually, once Bitcoin will go up, not tomorrow, not next week, I don't know when, but when it does happen, the great coins that have value long term will do well long term. It is that simple. You just need to stop gambling, trading, or get bored or panic sell. Not a financial advice, all my opinion. Yeah. What about DPI? Yeah, it's in my DeFi PDF. It's a small cap DeFi index coin. Yeah, I will do a full video about it probably next week. It's already in the pipeline, thumbnails, someone from Fiverr, all that good stuff. Yeah, that's DPI. Just so you know, it's DeFi Pulse Index, ticker symbol DPI. Basically, if you don't know DeFi, if you don't know which coins are in DeFi, if you don't want to guess which coins will do better or which from other coins, buy it's not an ETF, but it's like a sort of ETF index of DeFi. It takes, and I will do a full tutorial, but as far as I know, I haven't looked about it in like a month. It takes like the top 10 or 12 biggest projects in DeFi, Aave, Compound, Curve, Uniswap, all those, and it rebalances every 3 months. And basically, you get a basket of the top DeFi coins. That's it. So if so, you're not gonna do 100x, for example, but let's say I don't know, Uniswap does 100x, and that index has about Uniswap 10% of the pool. Basically, it's just like an ETF. Let's make it simple. Just like you buy S&P 500, ETF, you get DeFi ETF, which is not an ETF, but the ticker symbol is DPI. Plain simple. You just copy the top 10 or 12 DeFi projects, and I think, if I remember correctly, I will do a complete tutorial. Every 3 months, every quarter, they rebalance with the top 10 or 12 highest and best and top, most liquidity, most total value locked DeFi projects. And they put it in a basket. So if you don't have time, don't want to think about it, you think DeFi will be here in the long term, just buy the ETF, which is not an ETF, but just buy a basket of DeFi coins. Yeah, pretty simple. Same for NFT. Same for NFT with the ticker symbol MVI. I did a video a couple of days ago. MVI ETF for NFTs. Same concept, pretty good stuff. The return percentage went down. No more free magic. No more free medic. For Aave, yeah. I didn't buy Aave because of the medic rewards. That was just a bonus. That's all it is. And BarnBridge is gonna have medic rewards. So there you go. All the financial advice, go check it out. However, someone mentioned me in my emails or text that he did try BarnBridge and now his money is locked for like 8 months. I haven't done a tutorial. I'm bullish the coin, but I haven't used the protocol. I do not know if it's true or not. So I can't assume it's true, and I can't assume it's not true. I need to do a tutorial. So I will check what's going on. But if the money is locked for 8 months, like someone on my text told me, then first of all, I will try with a small amount. I will do a tutorial on BarnBridge in the next week or so, a week or two. But if the money is locked for 8 months, first I'm going to put a small amount just to test it out, see that I can withdraw all that stuff. And I will report back. And if it is the case, then make your own decision if you want to lock your money for 8 months. It's not 50 years, but still, it's a lifetime in crypto. and people just don't want to commit anymore for everything. But that's a different story. Will you be staking your Cardano? I don't have Cardano, and I'm not planning to have Cardano. And investing in Sunday Swap when it launches, that's a different story. I will maybe buy Sunday Swap because of the hype, and it will probably go higher. I don't know the coin, but I'm not planning to buy Cardano or stake Cardano. Never like Cardano. Nothing changed for me in the last 4 years, and they haven't been live. After they will be live, problem with Cardano, it's the same price as 4 years ago, around $1.50, $1.30, same price as 2017. They haven't moved anywhere. They're not live. So once they are live, and I'll see all the application there, and I see the use case, and I'll see total value locked, and I see a lot of people are using the protocols, I might change my opinion. But as of now, absolutely nothing changed for me on Cardano. And most of you that bought Cardano is because you saw all those rocket emojis on YouTube videos, and you think it will go to $1,000, which will make Cardano double the world GDP with about $80 trillion market cap. If you think that's gonna happen because YouTube videos told you to, good luck with that. That's not how I think. What happened with the Bitcoin 2x fly? Nothing happened. It's I did a video last week, and why did something change? No, it's still good. Why did they remove it? I don't know. Bitcoin 2x fly is the 2x Bitcoin. Basically, Bitcoin goes up 10%, it does 20%. Bitcoin goes down 10%, it goes down 20%. But if you mentioned that, Mr. A1 Jetstone, give me more details. I don't know if something happened. Ogori Finance is killing it. Haven't heard about them. What about Medic? I love Medic. Bitcoin 2x Fly, rep Bitcoin. I bought one. Okay. I added liquidity on sushi. Okay. I don't know how to check it. It doesn't mean it's there. It's go to sushi. Go to pools and manage pools, all from the top of my head, and you should see it. And if you don't see it, you click import pair, something like that, and then put those specific two, because I assume there's not a lot of volume, because not a lot of people know about Bitcoin 2x leverage, and just put BTC 2x fly, grab BTC in the manual pool, and you should see it. But if you bought and you had liquidity, it's there. You just need to find it. It didn't go anywhere. It's on the blockchain. It's just there. You just need to find it. What are your predictions? Hopefully we're gonna go higher long term. That's my predictions. That's all. Polygon network is the only way to go. I agree. A lot of people starting to talk lately on YouTube. I've seen people are mentioning Phantom a lot, Avalanche a lot. I love Avalanche, but there's not a lot of use case as of today. Medic, it's a fan favorite, and you gotta think about adoption. People like adoption. People like Ethereum, even though it's not the best by any means, with fees and slow and all that. Medic is not the best, but people adopt Medic. That's all. So that's why I like that better than Phantom or Harmony One or Avalanche, all the others that start to pop up in the last couple of months. So yeah. XDC and Quant will make you a millionaire if you're currently a bum. I like Quant and XDC. I've seen a lot of TikTok people shilling it lately, so I assume they got paid to promote it. I haven't checked, but I would, if I were you, I would check XDC with two open eyes instead of just listening to people. Quant is a whole different story. I love Quant. And by the way, hint, hint, Quant is one of my top 10 regular coins. Yeah. Guys, I want to make you all aware I just had my Trust wallet hacked. Damn. I think it was airdrop related. Holy shit. There's a new hack for Trust Wallet, guys. Be safe. Turn on all security. Never use Trust Wallet. All I've seen on TikTok. I hope you will solve it. Crypto Mavic, write some more details so I can inform the viewers on the chat and the ones that will watch it on the replay. That's pretty concerning. Never had Trust Wallet because I've seen so many TikTok just pumping, go buy Binance, BNB, and convert it to SafeMoon. That's the only use case for Trust Wallet. It's not the only use case, but that's why people use that to buy a scam coin, Ponzi. Yes, go ahead, comment that SafeMoon is not a Ponzi. Good luck with that in the future. But yeah, so I've never downloaded Trust Wallet. I don't have a need for that. Why do you need Trust Wallet? Everything is on MetaMask. And if I want Binance coins, I can add Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask. Why do I need another wallet other than Coinbase, other than Crypto.com, other than MetaMask? Just because they make your life easier, hey, go buy one BNB converted to SafeMoon. That's the lazy way to do it. And if that happens to you, then please share what just happened, so I can follow up and let people know. Do you think insane APY pools from some yield farms are a good passive income source, or are they just too good to be true? Ricardo, if you doubt yourself and seems that you are, you already answered the question. It is too good to be true. That's plain and simple. Titan prove that it just doesn't work. And if you guys saw Titan, they're trying to say, they did a Medium post a few days ago. Hey, we are very sorry, but we're gonna launch now. We learn from our mistakes, okay? And we're gonna launch Titan version 2 soon. So stay tuned for a better Titan and a better stable coin. And I assume people will completely forget about Titan, and Titan version 2 could go crazy as well. So, it is shitcoin, but if it goes to the moon, just sell on a profit, on the parabolic run. Then try to avoid the rug pull before it happens. That's all. Those are not long-term place to be. Risk small amount, make money, get out fast before the other people will have a chance to get out before you. It's just Ponzi. If you, the earlier you get in, and the later you get out before other people, it's just like a chair game, the musical chair games. That's the most I don't know, analogy that I can think of. There's a new hack for Trust Wallet. Damn. I see it. I just don't know how to see if the price went up on it. That's all. LOL. Thanks for all your time. Thank you, sir. All tokens are gone from Trust Wallet. It was only Binance Smart Chain. I hate Binance. I loved Binance 4 years ago, but ever since, with all due respect to Binance, I don't understand why people are still buying either Binance or coins on Binance today. After all the stuff that you see on the news, everyone are banning because of regulation, SEC. Everyone are banning Binance. Why are you doing still buying shit coins on Binance Smart Chain? Why? Because you're a gambler. Admit it. You are a gambler if you're buying Binance Smart Chain coins that released this week after you saw all the news, because you're a gambler and you think, hey, it's not going to affect me, it's going to go to the moon. Why am I doing that? Because I'm bored, because Bitcoin doesn't move. But at the end of the day, look yourself in the mirror and admit that you have a problem and you are a gambler. Just because you gamble on crypto by clicking on a few buttons on your phone doesn't make it any different than a person that get up, get dressed, drive an hour or two to a local casino and gamble playing poker, cards, slot machine, whatever. It's the same thing. You are a gambler. Take this into consideration. Just the internet and crypto make life a lot easier. Yeah, I lost some followers in this video because they don't want to listen to what I have to say and they don't agree. If you bought shitcoins on Binance Smart Chain this week after the news, because you are a gambler. Plain and simple. Please prove me wrong. Please. I urge you to reply that, lost more people. The truth is not nice, but the truth is the truth. Okay, I can tell you, no, all the shitcoins that you bought on Binance after everyone told you that they're all getting delisted and Binance has tons of issues now. All those shitcoins will go to the moon. You're good to go. Tell me, in honesty, why did you buy Binance shitcoin in the last couple of days? Give me a solid logic reason for the specific coin and why you did it. That's it. Can you tell us about some airdrops to consider? No, I'm not in the airdrops game because the airdrops are mostly scam coins. And if now they went up another level where you get airdrop into a wallet and they steal your other coins, that's a whole other mess that I'm not going to touch. The end of the day, value coins that have been here for a while and will be here in the future, most likely, if Bitcoin is here in the future, those will do well. It is boring, but it will get you to where you need to be in the long term, which people don't have the patience to wait. That's all it is. It is that simple. That's all. I just always had Trust Wallet. I hacked. Let me go back to the airdrop piece. Airdrop, if it's a shitcoin and you want to get an airdrop, from everything that I see, like 99 of those coins, they want you to talk about their shitcoin on Twitter, like, share, follow, and comment, hey, what do you think about I just bought this and this shitcoin? Do like 3 things on Twitter, like, share, post, something like that, so their scam coins will have more exposure. That's it. And then you get exposure, you get airdrop of some nonsense upon nonsense of a coin that will probably go to zero faster than you think. But that's not a game that I'm playing. Rarely, very, very rarely, there are airdrops of legit coins. Uniswap, for example, I talked about Uniswap. They did an airdrop almost a year ago, and it was like $2-3 when it came out. 1inch did an airdrop around December for, I think it was Christmas time. That was the exact day. They said, hey, we're doing an airdrop of 1inch when it was, 75 cents, something like that. Other than that, no, not that I'm aware of any legit coins that have done airdrop. Just goes to show you, and that's the game. And there's like, 100 airdrop a month, and let's say 1,000 airdrops in a year. 2 of them, Uniswap and 1inch, were actually worth getting. All the rest, haven't heard about them probably a week after the airdrop. So don't play that game. Don't waste your time, money, energy, and spam your followers on Twitter by sharing spam airdrop coins that will not be here, not even long term, like a week later. They're using you. You don't see that. They're using you. They're using you to get free publicity. Like, share, and tell them, hey, like, go buy this coin. You're gonna get some airdrop or something like that. This is free publicity that you, a stranger, is giving to a strange coin and a developers and pushing the price up. That's not. Think what you're doing. A strange company is asking you, in order to get an airdrop of our shitcoin, I don't say it, you must go to Twitter and do the following 3 things. Like our coin, like our handler, whatever it's called. I hate Twitter, but that's a different story. Share our post and comment or like or some nonsense. That's all. And you give them publicity for free. You work for them for free. You get free airdrops. Price goes up because other people believe you. And a couple of days later, they dump the prices on all of you. And you didn't even get paid for this promotion that you just did. How terrible it is. I would say how stupid, but I don't want to be that blunt, but it is very, very stupid of people that are doing that. Think about it. There's like 1,000 airdrops in a year, and the only two legit ones were Uniswap and 1inch. What happened to the other 998 airdrops in the last year? Where are they? Give me one solid coin that did an airdrop. And Uniswap and 1inch, by the way, in order to get the coins, you had to use the protocol. You did not have to go to Uniswap Twitter and say, "Hey, I'm using Uniswap. Go like, share, and follow Uniswap handler on Twitter, handle, whatever that name." Same for 1inch. That's how you get an airdrop, but by actually using the protocol. I will most likely get an airdrop of Ribbon Finance, RBN, because I'm selling options on Ribbon Finance. I'm using the protocol, not because I went to Twitter and spam shared their protocol. That's all it is. I love the product. If they airdrop, great. If they're not, I will probably buy coins long term because the demand is great. But just stop thinking like everyone are in your best interest in crypto. I would guesstimate that 99% of everyone has their best interest in them, not in you. And if it's random developers with random team, that percent goes to 99.99% best interest of them and none or 0.001 on you, something like that. This is just the beginning of Binance and Trust Wallet. Yeah, we are learning more about tokenomics and how currency works now than we've ever been able to. Yeah. As we evolve and smart contracts become more complex and engineered, these tools become more powerful. Yep. Yeah. Everyone are getting smarter with crypto. That's the cycle. You buy shitcoin, you get burned. Then you got two options. You buy shitcoins because YouTube or TikTok told you that it will do 1,000x. You get burned, you lose, you sell for a loss. Then you got two options. Option number one, crypto is a scam, not touching that. Option number two, actually it's three options. Option number two, go buy different shitcoins that TikTok or YouTube tell you, sell at a loss, same story. Option number three, learn, educate yourself, learn how to avoid that mistake and actually make better crypto choice. Stock is the same. See, so many people are buying penny stocks in the last year, and now no one is buying penny stocks because everyone lost. So, but they will go back to buy penny stocks, over-the-counter stocks, forex, futures, commodities. It never ends. There's a saying that says suckers don't die; they just replaced by new suckers. Very famous saying. It's so true in stocks, crypto. I don't understand how people are so gullible. Learn. You made a mistake. It is your fault that you bought a shitcoin. It is your fault you lost your money. That's not the person on TikTok or YouTube that talked about that coin, but it is also your option to learn from that and become a better investor to avoid those mistakes in the future. But people don't learn. People will be people. That's yeah. See what else we got. I'm not a gambler. I'm a day trader. That's a gambler, especially for crypto. I bought a coin that got recommended. Recommended by who? I'm not a gambler. You can say that again, but it is doesn't change fact. I can assure you, I don't. But I just cause of Twitter, it's all a scam. It's airdrops are 99% scams. Yeah. Hey Ziv, hello Damon. Great timing on your convex finance video. Thank you. Seems like they are staking a significant amount of curve, over $4 billion locked in just 7 weeks. Yeah, 2 months, give or take. Total value locked growing even higher. Oh, they passed 4 billion. That's insane. No one talks about convex finance because it's not triple. But $4 billion locked. I talked about it like a month ago at a lot higher price when it was $2 billion locked. It doubled in, it's insane, yeah. The tokenomics are horrible. There's so many coins to dump on the market, but eventually, I would say a year plus from now, it should stable. That's the problem. Until then, they could bleed and bleed and bleed more coins, and that's a shame. But long term wins the race, as they say. So I don't look at the price every day. I need to go to Cryptos Anonymous Rehab. I need to make a merch for that. I must be a gambler. Damn it, Jim. Who's Jim? Jim Cramer? Atom is doing airdrop in the next 48 days. That's a different story. Atom is not Cosmos. Atom, that's not a scam coin. But again, out of 1,000 coins, let's say 5 will be legit and the rest will be a scam. Okay? You are renting. I only download, Trust Wallet so I can do DeFi on my phone. I never do DeFi on my phone. That's worst possible idea, and everyone on TikTok are telling you to do that. I makes it too easy to gamble. There you go. I mean invest in DeFi. What do you mean invest in DeFi and gamble? Invest in DeFi is either yield farm or staking, and that doesn't take a day or a few hours. And if you just buy, sell on your phone because you're bored, you, my friend, might need Cryptos Anonymous. I need to start, maybe I should start a group, Cryptos Anonymous. I will be the head person that sits on the chair or something, and you all can talk, and I can tell you that you are a gambler. I will tell you straight. I'm going to tell you straight that, and people will not like that because people don't like to hear the truth. Yeah, and I am renting because it bothers me. And if you bought coins on Trust Wallet or Binance Smart Chain, you're a gambler, or you bought because of airdrop, and then basically they played you and you promote shitcoin on Twitter. That's free publicity for the developers, and you lost money, and you bought SafeMoon, you bought Doge at the wrong time, you bought Bitcoin at the wrong time, all that stuff. It's not the wrong time, but if you sold and you're angry, it is your fault. But most of the gamblers, I'm not talking about people that bought Ethereum at 4,000 or Bitcoin at 50, 60. Most of crypto TikTok retail traders, gamblers bought basically SafeMoon, Doge on Robinhood because they were too lazy to actually get verified on Coinbase on Crypto.com. So there's a Doge on Robinhood. They already have Robinhood from buying Tesla calls a year ago. Let's buy Doge. SafeMoon, because they heard from so many viral videos on TikTok, it's gonna go to the moon. So let's download Trust Wallet and just go on and on and on. And that's gamblers, my friend. Those are gamblers. Just because it's not in Vegas doesn't mean that you're not a gambler. That's what I have today. What's my thought about Cardia chain? I haven't heard about that. Everyone wants something for nothing. True. Z for president. You don't look over 40. I am not over 40, but I made this brand name because when I started, I thought, okay, let's do a channel. I'm about to be 40, give or take, soon. Not tomorrow, but soon. But basically I said, okay, let's I'm starting TikTok, YouTube, whatever. Am I starting this for a month, or am I starting this for, I don't know, 5 years? Then I will be a little over 40. So yeah, but thank you. I assume it's a compliment. How is a day trading gambling? You just answer your question. Do you really think crypto day trading is not gambling? And how do you buy? I would suggest you guys go follow No Nonsense Forex channel on YouTube, No Nonsense Forex, and see how he trade. He trade on daily charts, and he does like 2 or 3 trades a month. That's trading. That's trading. If you day trade because TikTok or Discord told you that something is gonna go to the moon, you're a gambler. That's all. There's not enough indicators today for crypto to give you an edge to actually make a few percentage higher than the average person out there. Day trading. let alone the crypto taxes that will kill you, absolutely kill you if you do day trading crypto. It's insane. It's like 47%. But most likely you don't want to hear that. So many people can't handle your brutal honesty. Thank you, Ray. I love it. Don't change a bit. I'm not planning to. You're awesome. Thank you. Thank you for your opinion. You're welcome. I use proper risk management, okay, and have proven yearly track record of 75% win rate. That is not gambling. And you're not a gambler? No, I buy value stocks and value coins and I hold them for years to come because I think they have a real use case solving potential of a problem. And I pay a whole lot less taxes than you. That's not gambling. But feel free to argue with me more. It's not gonna change my opinion, and you don't wanna change your opinion. So that's all. I watched many of your videos about staking on Matic and Pancake. I haven't done a tutorial on Matic, and even Titan. Okay, haven't done a tutorial on Titan as well. And most of the people who started farming and pooling lost money a lot. True. Which farming and pooling is your favorite now? The legit ones on the legit ones. Stable coins on QuickSwap, Aave ETH, BTC ETH, Rep BTC, Rep ETH. That's all. That's all. I'm here. You all can start now. Okay, Katushi. Katushi, that's a nice name. You must be gambling then. Sure. And paying 30-40% impact per trade. Everything in life is a gamble. That's very true. Going to ask a hot girl out is a gamble. You're not losing money if you're asking her out. And you're not paying taxes if you're just asking her out. Yet. I'll do it again and again. True. Sometimes we have to get enough losing trades to get that one really good one. That's wishful thinking, but it might never happen. And if it does happen, you're probably going to lose that one good one long term after that. For like $10 scalp, sure. Is everyone a gambler but you? No, but no. I do nothing different to the banks. I trade forex markets. Oh, okay, there we go. Man, you crazy! I trade forex. Go follow no nonsense forex. See what he has to say about you trading forex. What's the crack, lads? I've not even mentioned TikTok. That's you, bro. I trade forex market. Okay. Good luck with forex. Let's see what we got. Why you here if you trade forex? That's a good question. We are investors. Yeah, I trade forex. Ziv Convex reached $4 billion total value locked. Yeah, and people don't know anything about Convex because it's not Ripple or Cardano video. I pay no tax, so get on that. Well, good luck with the IRS, but if you're not in the US and you don't pay tax, that's on you. Not gonna talk to you about taxes. Good for you, taxes. UK, no tax paid for forex trading. As far as I know, that's actually correct, but I'm not a tax person and I don't live in the UK. But the rest of the people in the chat are not in the UK, so. Even better. Okay, it's like you were bragging you don't pay taxes. I do pay taxes on long-term coins. If you day trade crypto, okay, I'm done arguing with you. Feels like the YouTube algorithm pushes a lot of people into the crypto day trading mentality because it sells. It's not just crypto day trading. I have to flag a lot of channels not interested to see through the crap. Token metrics, I like them. If you haven't have 7-day subscription, link in all my video description. Taki is a great person as well, also pretty good. Yep. Any other YouTube channels you would recommend? Coin Bureau is great. I'm a cryptoholic. BitBoy, BitBoy is a lot better now than 6 months ago. Super genius, thank you. Another shirt idea, yeah. You're a weird guy, man. You came to warn. I came to warn your subscribers about the hack. Well, tell us about the hack. What was the coin? Stop arguing about gambling, forex or not. Tell us what was the coin that got hacked and got stole all your coins from Trust Wallet. Spammer board peeps. Okay, is forex taxable in the US? I don't know, but I assume that's a yes. You like BitBoy now? Yeah, I like BitBoy in the last 6 months since he stopped shilling, uh, so many paid promotion coins. He doesn't need to do it because he has so many followers. So I assume his website and Google AdSense, YouTube monthly payment is a whole lot higher. Then he just doesn't need to do a paid promotions anymore. I told you BSC. Is BSC Binance Smart Chain or BSC another coin? Because if it's Binance Smart Chain, it's the whole Binance freaking Smart Chain. It's not a coin. It's the whole chain of Binance. And by the way, I don't think you got hacked. I don't know if you know the news, but you said you're in UK and Binance got banned in the UK a couple of days ago. So maybe they just block your access to BSC, Binance Smart Chain, and you can't do anything with your coins. Trust wallet, no trust wallet, it's all blocked because you can't use Binance anymore. My opinion. Good morning. How do you stop a farm coin going to zero? You get out before it happens. You can't stop it. I hope it does us right. He had two massive scammers on there like 5 days ago. Who's who? Brian Ross and Tika Tiwari. Who? BSC. Time will tell. BitBoy. So now you're calling Tika with the okay. That's your opinion. That's not scammers. You just buy when everyone else bought as well. No, Binance didn't get banned. Yes, Binance did get banned. Go watch the news. Go see for yourself. I'm not gonna tell you the news. It's been posted all over the interweb, as they want to call it, the last week. Binance got banned. Who's BitBoy? Go watch some YouTube, you will know. Either way, guys, it's been 9:30. Let me post my link once again. Let me tell you, 5 coins to 5 million. It's not a scam. Those five coins to 5 million. It's a newsletter that this guy, Tiki Taka, whatever his name, is posting in the last 4 years or so, every single month or every quarter. Very valuable coins. Just because he posted, you probably bought it at all-time high, and then you probably sold it like a few days later at a loss. You call it a scam. Again, your fault for buying high, selling low. That's all. They charge $10,000. Yeah, doesn't make it a scam. That's your call. Let's pause this. Basically, guys, let me repeat what I started. I'm launching this is the top 10 DeFi picks. If you haven't grabbed a copy, go do yourself a favor and grab that one. Other than that, the top 10 regular crypto coins will go live tonight, midnight EST time. If you got the DeFi PDF, you get 30% discount. And basically, that's the promotion. So instead of $30, $20, go check yourself BarnBridge. And a couple of others. And in the regular coins, as a surprise, there's some coins there that I assume you have never heard about. Not Bitcoin, Ethereum. That there's and there's no Ripple, there's no Cardano, and there's coins that you have never heard about. Most likely because they're not YouTube popular videos. Let's finish the reading of the comments. But other than that, grab yourself a favor, grab yourself a copy, DeFi picks, regular 10 coins, and that's basically what I got for you today. If you like my value content, all that good stuff, subscribe, hit the like. Let's finish the comments and I will head out. T is somewhat informative, but thanks a lot for your time, knowledge, man. Really appreciate it. Keep on with the good vibes. Thank you. I buy a lot and I sell high. Sure you do. Who has the addenda? I don't know. What a guy. That's me. You're selling this. You're selling info on farms. No, nothing about farms. Regular coins. Cheers, brother. Have a great long weekend for you guys as well. It's a long weekend. I have a question. How much can I start with? How much, whatever that you want, $100, $10, up to you. There's no content here beside you telling us what farms you're joining. I haven't joined, yeah, I'm not a farm guru, yield farm guru. That's not me. DeFi is not farming. You guys, let me finish this. There's DeFi, okay, and there's yield farms, and that's two different, it's not two different story, but yield farms is part of DeFi, but not, I'm not doing yield farming. That's at least not the spam high APY. That's insane. How much can I start? There's no content here. Okay, can I start with $100? Sure. What do you think about Phantom, Opera Chain? I think Medic will do better. Crypto Talk was earning a lot on there. Yeah, I'm selling crap again. Yet another. Yeah, if you think what I'm selling is crap, not gonna convince you to buy or not buy. Why are you so stressed, Ant Mod? You're doing a great job. Thank you. Let us talk like DeFi rockstar. Sure. That being said, guys, I appreciate you all. Thank you very much, and hopefully I will see you next Thursday, 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. What are you offering that's worth $30? Absolutely up to you to check it out. Go check the link. No one is forcing anyone to do anything. It's all for free if you look, guys. Sure. Go buy a Ripple, it will go to 1,000, and Cardano will go to 1,000. That's free advice. You're very informative always. Thanks for everything. Thanks for the video. You're welcome. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you next time. Yeah.